Welcome to Stafford Audi, where today we are delighted to offer this stunning Audi S3 Vorsprung. This being a used and approved car means it comes with a 12 months minimum warranty and a 12 months minimum roadside assistance included within the vehicle. Now moving around the vehicle and starting at the front, the LED Matrix headlamps are a key feature of the S3. These headlights make visibility much easier no matter the conditions. Moving down now, we have the 5 Y-spoke design wheels with the titanium backing and the silver fronting, which are a lovely contrast against the yellow exterior paint. Stepping back now, you can see the rear privacy glass, which is also tinted, giving the rear occupants the privacy that they desire. Stepping into the rear of the S3 now, the ISOFIX points are located across the back row, as well as these lovely leather seats with the diamond quilted stitching, as well as this lovely centre armrest in which does fold down to reveal 2 useful cup holders. The front sunroof also brings in that much needed light into the rear, as well as the rear passengers being entertained with the Bang & Olufsen stereo system. Looking at the rear of the car now, and using the key to open the rear tailgate, which displays a large holding area, which is perfect for 2 large suitcases and possibly a carry-on bag if using the space wisely. There's also some minor storage underneath the boot floor for maybe some shopping bags, and you can simply close the boot by pulling down on this handle right here. Moving down the side of the car now and opening the driver's side door into the gorgeous S3 interior, which features lots of leather, alcantara and aluminium. Looking up, there is this gorgeous glass sunroof, which is perfect for those summer days and letting in much needed light into the cabin, as well as these gorgeous S seats with the white stitching and diamond leather pattern with the electrically adjustable movements for the seats and also the memory function. That completes my 360 tour of the Audi S3 Vorsprung. If you would like to find out more about the vehicle, then please do contact us on 01785 899 417. This vehicle does also come with a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a 1 year roadside assistance. I will now be taking you on a tour of the interior. Now entering the S3's interior and looking to the right, you find the electrically operated window switches as well as the child lock for both the rear doors. Looking back now to the driver's view, there is this lovely S Napa leather steering wheel with aluminium inserts, and to the left there are also some controls for the virtual cockpit above, in which can change the view and skip between the background images. Moving down from that, there is also the automatic cruise control and the speed limiter, which is perfect for those longer motorway journeys when you want to sit back and relax. Looking at the right of the steering wheel, there are also some useful buttons in which can accept and decline phone calls. Moving up from that, the virtual cockpit sits just in front of the driver with a lovely digital speedometer with different choices as your background by pressing the view button. Moving to the left of that, we also have satellite navigation in the vehicle, which is perfect from getting to A to B with route guidance. There is also your radio, in which there are a host of stations to suit your music tastes, as well as media, where you can connect via USB or Bluetooth from your mobile device and stream from services such as Spotify and YouTube Music. There is also the telephone tab, in which you can connect via Bluetooth for those hands-free calls on the go. There is also the car app, in which features Audi Drive Select, with multiple options of drivability such as efficiency, comfort, auto and dynamic being the most sporty option. Moving down from that, we have the dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable by pushing down or pushing up on these tabs, as well as electrically heated front seats for both sides. And moving down, we also have the automatic gear shifter, in which you can select drive, neutral and reverse, which brings up a 360 surround. By pressing the park button, you simply put the car into park, and that also applies to handbrakes. To the left of that, there are also some useful cup holders and a lovely leather centre armrest with much needed storage inside. So that completes my overall review of the Audi S3 Vorsprung. If you would like to inquire about this vehicle, please do contact us on 01785 899 417. This vehicle does also come with a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a 1 year's roadside assistance included.